Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Ready to create eye-catching drip effects on your designs in Canva? Click Create, then select Custom Size, 300 by 300 pixels. Click the Elements tab to access and manage your page's HTML structure. Look for the Share button in the top right corner of your screen. Click it to open sharing options. Then select your preferred method to share the content with others. Select your preferred color from the available options. Click Edit, then choose Filters. Go to the button. Select this option on the right. Now, change the image here. Click this element, flip it, and trim it down. This is our final result. Next, I will create another one. Add a papaya, then apply the dripping effect. Adjust the size, click Edit, and select Duotone. Choose the white color, then flip the dripping effect element. Move it up, then trim the clip. Here is the final result. This is the dripping effect in Canva. Click Share, increase the size, then click Download to save your file. Now you know how to create a cool drip effect in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.